Today we're going to prepare spaghetti alla carbonara. We need 100 grams of spaghetti, 100 grams of bacon, 1 egg, we will use half onion, some Parmesan cheese, obviously we need some oil and salt. We start put some oil on the fry pan. Once we chop finely the onion, we start putting a fry pan and we start slowly fry. I like put some salt while they start frying. The water for pasta boiling, and I drop my 100 grams of pasta, and I need to put some salt, as much salt you need for the pasta. While the spaghetti start cooking, I fry the onion, and now I cut the bacon. Once the onion is slightly fried, we add the bacon. While we wait for the bacon cook, we can start to do the egg. I put a little bit of black pepper. Once the pasta is ready and cooked, I will drain the pasta. I mix with bacon. Pick up the eggs and mix with the spaghetti and bacon. And leave a little bit cooking together. Time to cook the egg. Now, when the eggs start, see the eggs is cooking, that's meaning that the pasta is ready. I drop in my plate. Once spaghetti is ready, I top up with Parmesan cheese as I like. That is ready to eat our spaghetti alla carbonara.